Back in January 2009, the first Bitcoin was created by an unknown and mysterious person, Satoshi Nakamoto. And this person started the era of Bitcoin from then on. As we can see, Bitcoin and its related industries have been rapidly developing over the past decade. The ASIC miner was born as the machine to produce Bitcoin in response to this trend. ASICs are much like race cars. One is uniquely designed for matching, other is specially customized for mining. There are two main metrics in a miner similar to a car's. They are hash rate and efficiency. A higher hash rate means more mining power, just like a car with more horsepower goes faster. Energy efficiency in mining is same as to fuel efficiency in cars as well, measuring the amount of energy consumed by a device to perform hash calculations. A lower energy efficiency ratio indicates that the device can complete more hash calculations. ASIC is undoubtedly a good investment, but there are still some risks. So consumers need to carefully calculate its payback period based on its performance. And it's important to stay informed about price trends and electricity costs, as these factors can significantly impact the overall profitability of ASIC mining. By the way, the number between supply and demand is really a matter when you're going to buy a miner. Sometimes it could be one of the huge factors affecting the ASIC price. On average, when well maintained, they usually have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years. There are 3 ways to enhance the durability: mitigating the heat, cleaning, and storing. By thoroughly evaluating these options and making an informed decision, miners can equip themselves with the optimal ASIC miner to consistently generate profitable Bitcoin mining rewards. Miners King will provide a list of recommended ASIC miner models for Bitcoin in 2024 based on sales performance and market conditions. Antminer S21 series includes 200T, 195T, and 188T models with 17.5 J/T efficiency. Key is the P13C20 power cord that works at 220-277V, allowing direct plug-in use, an upgrade from prior Bitmain models. Antminer T21 has a 190T hash rate and 19 J/T efficiency, requiring 380-415V. It uses a specialized P33 power cord and PDU. A key feature is the HEM mode, which can boost hash rate to 230T at 22 J/T efficiency under 30 degrees Celsius, making it attractive for many miners. And T21 is generally more cost-effective. The Antminer S21 Pro offers impressive features: a 234 TH/s hash rate, outstanding 15 J/T efficiency at just 3510W, multiple model options, and a reliable P14 power interface with P13C20 cord, building on the success of the original S21 to provide miners with a powerful, energy-efficient, and user-friendly mining solution. As the Bitcoin mining landscape continues to evolve, staying up to date with the latest advancements and making strategic investments in the right mining hardware will be essential for sustained success. Here's all the information for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.